Hello everyone, my name is Sangeeta and today I am presenting about the Amazon organization and we are three group members including me, Kavita and Jaskaran. Here I will start with the executive summary. The Amazon Business Executive Summary provides the feature, functionality, management and monitoring techniques of the organization structure. Amazon.com provides a large variety of services and solutions, including a bookstore, appliances, electronic games, clothing, food and jewelry, etc. By establishing a mature customer distribution system and an outstanding level of operation, the Amazon Information Technology Teams is now a pioneer, using Amazon Web Services applications that provide excellent solution in service desk need of a variety of customers in the world, and IT service management processes has reached a new level. The Amazon meets the globally recognized best procedures regarding such usefulness in the information technology infrastructure library. Amazon is an American technology multinational conglomerate. Amazon was established in 1994 June by Jeff Bezos in Bellevue. The corporate initiated off as an online book supply and then developed into appliances, video games, clothing toys and jewelries, etc. Amazon employ information system management as a thriving tool to achieve market edge by efficient information management and acquisition. The report involves the evolution of Amazon's best ITIL practices is in its entirety. The report highlights the unique IT use that Amazon uses through its technology, processes, and system from the start of the final user with the website up to the selection of payment and delivery methods. Amazon strives for a market that requires no utility expenses or deposit and is one of the best intensive customer online. The internet shopping company often launches revolutionary programs allowing teens to purchase using their own accounts on Amazon. The services are aimed at 13 to 17 years old who are part of the generation community, Generation Z, which will one day exceed the thousands anniversary and spending strength. Generation Z is already, according to Nelson, the largest media crowd consisting of 26% of all viewers or 4 points over a millennium. By providing teens with their own login, Amazon can obtain a generation extremely attached to their handsets and devices. Amazon is potentially one of the most powerful businesses. One of the Amazon's major consumer expectation related to the online availability of products and services, a shorter delivery time upon orders. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Kavita. Now I'm going to mention some challenges of Amazon Corporate. First one is addressing severe government monitoring. The fresh inspection of technology companies could pose problems on the road with a current administration. In the case of major corporations such as Amazon, EU, as well as other nations such as France has ramped up their legislation and fiscal efforts. In the United States, the advancement of Amazon's HQ2 and big tax cuts obtained the year before become a high point for critics of the size and diversity of Amazon on the elected officials. Next one is balancing investment against benefit. In the mainstream media, Mossberger had reported that a large round of acquisitions by Amazon can be expected in 2020 due to Amazon's latest initiatives in fields such as healthcare. Amazon is obviously infamous to plow income back into the company. Next is maintaining competitive edge. Amazon could be the uncontested e-commerce pioneer, but tremendous rivals like Walmart Gap could make their attempts to rummage Amazon's share of the market quite proactive. In a study from December of the last year, Lim of Azwater Research stated that Amazon was pulling down on discounts and price wars with competing retailers, and a rivalry from retail and mortar appears to favor the less competitive stance of Amazon. Last one is global efficiency. In Amazon's four divisions, several of Amazon's mediocre October results have compensated for poor returns, reporting a marginal rise of 15% on a steady growth path, down from 21% in the previous period. Brian Olsavsky, CFO at Amazon, clamped on a revenue call several of the slow increase in India's Diwali holidays and Amazon's acquisition, but venture capitalists would also opt for how the Amazon sells globally. Now in this slide I will discuss about some solutions for the challenges of Amazon. Over 75% of Amazon's products are teeny and weightless than a couple of pounds, whereas most customers spend about 30 minutes commuting to the store, finding parking, locating the product, driving back home. The organization is able to address the problem in less than 30 minutes by relying on the use of self-flying drones. So now if one question arises like why self-flying drones? Because it is a flexible and very cost-effective solution since only machine learning knowledge to learn drones is needed. Now I will discuss about organization chart of Amazon. The corporate structure of Amazon.com Incorporation allows comprehensive oversight over international e-commerce activities. The layout and engagement system between many members of the company is defined by an administrative or business structure. For example, the corporate architecture of Amazon defines how managers manage operations in different fields and influence them. Amazon.com retains an architecture that adequately supports its global penetration. Amazon's organizational framework includes the following characteristics such as regional roles, business leadership, and territorial divisions. Next one is global function-based groups. Amazon institutional structure is characterized by functional groups present. There is a dedicated team or group in each major corporate function and a senior manager. The strategy aims to empower Amazon to encourage the fruitful administration of electronic commerce processes in the entire institute. Next is global hierarchy. Hierarchical structure is a traditional structural feature of the organization. This is reflected in Amazon.com Incorporation's international system of vertical control and executive power lines, which affect the online retailing company. Last one is geographical divisions. Geographical units are also part of Amazon's corporate framework. Teams are based on geographical areas and linked business objectives in this structural feature. For instance, in order to facilitate e-commerce management, Amazon.com Incorporation employs geographical areas depending on financial conditions of particular areas. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jaskaran. Now I will continue this presentation from the slide which offers give information about IT service provider. Amazon Web Services provide the services to Amazon. Amazon Web Services cloud computing platform provides business and support tools. The cloud provider is perfect solution for this corporation as it has the best characteristics and prototypes that integrate the great business atmosphere both internally and externally. And Amazon Web Services is an excellent network operator since it has been built using sophisticated information technologies and resources by different organizations to accomplish organized data analysis and to facilitate data processing. And the Amazon Web Services catalog has detailed reference manual for data center use as well as implementation. This guide is based on information and communication information. The communication is clear because the web and equipment are simple to execute. Here is a structure of Amazon service provider. It is divided into three parts: service consumer, service provider, and service creator. Service providers offer assistance via the system for executive that monitor all activities carried out. And just after the customer has approved for solution, the provider offers support to business operations. The provider also has development tool that provides user with a platform. um, the program system is well structured and planned to allow the programs easier to reach as well as to seek support by building a forum. Here are some service strategy and processes of Amazon provider. I will explain only phases due to short time. And first one is service strategy. This stage offers guidelines on how information technology service management is designed, implemented, and carried out. Next stage is service design. This offers direction about how company and IT operation management processes are planned and built to compete previously established service strategies. And next is a service alteration. It teaches IT experts and company partners to implement change productively. And next phase is service operation. IT delivers the conceptual implementation of IT operation, in which services are offered mostly from the desk. It gives recommendation on realistic elements of day-to-day activities. It's aim to make it easy, reliable, effective, of economically viable for the IT team. And last phase is recurrent service enhancement. There is always room for delivering and improving IT services even if there is no transformation happened in an institution. Mm, this is continuous evaluation is the best way to understood in which there can be advancement. Here is a conclusion. In order to enhance its IT infrastructure and market processes, Amazon has always adopted ITSM because IT workable alternative and supporting the desk for several agencies. Amazon seems to have been successful because they all hold a common need regardless of their competitive advantages. Cost governance in line, it needs to optimize and optimize the customer satisfaction procedure. The design phase with ITIL helps in achieving corporate performance because it is necessary to set business needs and to modify the existing procedure in consistency with business specification. Amazon is willing to supply customers with the least defects and or issues via the knowledge technology management strategy. This is the end of our presentation. Here is some proof of our research. Thank you.